Cordless vacuum, VacLife vacuum cleaner with replaceable battery, stick vacuum, extra filter for washing, powerful vacuum cleaner. Cordless 2 inches 1, lightweight vacuum with LED light. Powerful suction. VacLife vacuum cleaner is designed with a supermotor for powerful suction. Helps you clean the dust and any dirt around your home. This cordless vacuum is a portable vacuum cleaner for home. Deep cleaning efficiency. VacLife stick vacuum is easy to use, and can reach some hard-to-reach areas such as the corners of windows. Long-lasting runtime. VacLife cordless vacuum cleaner equips with superb detachable lithium-ion battery. The floor vacuum takes 3-4 hours to fully charge, and the continuous using time is up to 45 minutes. After years of use, VacLife will provide a replacement for your new battery at any time.